How to identify scams in Lagos real estate. I'm going to talk about how some real estate deal in Lagos can look like perfect investment but end up being one-way ticket to trouble. In Lagos real estate, if you are not careful, it can be like fried plantain sweet on the outside. But if you don't check well, you will bite into stone, and I don't want anybody to fall into scam. Now sit tight as I break down the most common real estate trick and how to avoid them. So let me quickly tell you this story about one of my friends, Tunde Sharp. He wanted to get a land in Lekki. The land they showed him was beautiful with prime location, clean road, and it even come with nice breeze from lagoon. But unfortunately, Tunde was sold. He dropped money like he was Dangote's cousin. Fast forward a years, and guess what? Tunde's land had been turned into a football pitch by local boys, which means the document was pure fake. Tunde thought he bought land, not knowing he was buying trouble. This is really true life lesson in Lagos real estate. If you don't shine your eyes well, somebody go help you close them. Now, I will be telling you tips on how to identify scam in Lagos real estate and how to avoid being the next Tunde. Number 1, if the price is too sweet, you should know something is wrong. If they are offering you price in Banana Island for the price of boli, I mean roasted plantain, just know there is a catch, because real estate is not on Black Friday sales. And number 2, no papers, no due. If the agent cannot provide you original documents or they keep showing you photocopies, please don't gamble with your money, because Lagos is not a monopoly. And number 3, the agent is rushing you. If the agent is telling you, hurry, that other peoples are already interested. So at this point, you need to pause, because they are rushing you into headache and not to buy land. And number 4, no omonile clearance. In Lagos, if you don't meet the landowner or their representatives, don't go setting up a picnic on that land, because the next thing you will know, they will escort you out with a stick. And number 5, which is the last number on my list, one land, multiple owners. If too many people claim ownership on the same land, please off your shoe and run as your body can carry you. Because I believe you don't want to spend years in court fighting over it. So my people, shine your eyes very well before you invest in real estate. Don't allow anybody to turn you to the next victim like Tunde. So if you want a genuine and stress-free property that won't give you headache, call or WhatsApp the number showing on your screen now. That's where we come in. We are here to offer you real and verified land. So don't forget to subscribe and hit on your notification bell. Remember, Lagos real estate is a serious business, and don't allow anybody to make you a mumu. My name is Kate from landproperty.ng. We specialize in helping Nigerians in diaspora and of course Nigerians in Nigeria to make smart future-proof investments right here in Lagos without stress. So call or WhatsApp the number showing on the screen to reach out to us. And before you go, we've got other amazing content you will love. So be sure to check the next videos and the recommended ones. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Bye.